Hi, this is Chris with the Buckeye Advantage team with Red One Realty. Looks like you're interested in more information about some of our great programs available, including our Build Your Credit While Building Your Home program, our free credit repair to buy a pre existing home program, and the various zero down payment and down payment assistance programs that are currently available. I'd love to help you out. Our Build Your Credit While Building Your Home program has been very popular. Basically, if you're wanting to buy a home but need to work on your credit a little bit first, this program may be perfect for you. There's no cost for this credit repair program, and we can get you started on the program no matter how low your credit score is right now. I've been doing these programs for several years now, and I've been able to help many people buy a home who started off with less than perfect credit. In fact, my wife and I recently closed on our new home and we utilized some of the free services to build a beautiful home here in Lithopolis. In fact, that's where I'm recording this video from right now. So, if you're tired of paying rent and want to start taking advantage of some of the benefits of owning a home, but need to work on your credit a little first, let's see what we can do to help you out. First step will be to set up a time to meet with Christy, Thomas, or Jennifer at their new office in Canal Winchester to discuss all the available programs with you in a little bit more detail and see which ones might be a good fit for you. So just let me know a good day and time for you to meet with one of them, and I'll get you an appointment scheduled with one of them right away. Thanks.